Photoshop did the job and I get paid. That's true. Let's check it out. So one of my clients has told me that he wants some certain shots in night mode, and he told me that he doesn't have the 3D file. So I was certain about that. I told him I'm going to be taking $100 per one shot, and he told me that okay, I have 5 shots, so let's do it. Actually I was a little bit busy, so I want to make it like I want to work smart rather than hard. Okay, so I went to Photoshop and I did literally this. Let's assume that we have this shot. Okay, I can't show you the original shots because it has like it's his own rights. Okay, so it was like so close to this shot. As you can see, there are some interior lights and it's a little bit like overcast or something. So I had to do only some couple of adjustments. Let's check them out. First of all, I always Ctrl J in order to get a new copy of this layer. Now the first thing I would do in any shot, I would replace the sky. So I'm going to go to edit, okay, sky replacement, as you can see. And here's our very big step. I'm going to choose a really good sky that makes it look a night shot. Since it's a night shot, we're going to maybe choose overcast. Overcast is fine, and maybe a sunset shot. Let's check this out. Not this one, not also this one. Maybe I want to get rid of the reds, so I might choose this one. Okay, this one looks amazing. Okay, like it's already night and dark, and so we can choose either this one or the overcast. For me, I'm going to be choosing this one. Let's go to color adjustment and slide it to the very right, just like that. As you can see, it adjusts the color a little bit, and it's okay. Now we have this sky. Okay, it's already night. So let's keep going. Now I will be taking this or you know what, let me do something. I'm going to hit the Ctrl Shift Alt and E in order to merge them into a new layer. So I'm going to filter, camera raw filter, and let's try to do something to adjust it like really quick. We have this filter light here, the presets here. I'm going to go to modern and choose the 5th one. As you can see, it gives a really amazing feeling that it's night. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one and go to basics, go back. I will be increasing the texture, the clarity, as you can see, in order to make it sharp. Okay, now I'm going to increase the highlights just like that. You see, like I've got these interior lights and it's going to pop up just like that. Let's go. Okay, now this is my second step. The third one is I'm going to adjustment layer and go to color lookup. From here I will be choosing actually the from these filters. I'm going to choose night from day, just like that. You see, I'm going to decrease the opacity to maybe 60%. Okay, maybe 50 also. That works really well. As you can see, like I'm not even touching my keyboard. Okay, I'm just working with my mouse. Now, as you can see that we have here this night shot, I'm going to select the mask and go to brush, just like that, and I'm going to paint with 50% opacity from it. As you can see on the interior lights. Sorry, let's make the hardness 0, and just like that. Okay, that's it. This is all. I did literally only this. I transferred his shots into a night shot using this method. I didn't even touch my keyboard. I didn't use any shortcuts. I was clicking only the mouse, like only a couple of clicks. Now actually I'm not going to keep it like this. Let's keep it going. I'm going to add some extra details. Like for example, I will be adding the car trails. So all you have to do is to go to Google, okay, and literally type car trails, just like that. And as you can see, there are tons of images. Just I want this one. Okay, this one is perfect. Let me save it. Okay, open new tab, save. Desktop. Of course I have so many. Oh, okay, it's good. So I'm going to take a screenshot for it, just like that. I'm just telling you guys that I'm showing you actually that you can get any picture from the internet. You don't have to work for it that much. Okay, let's take this one and press it like this. Okay, this is amazing. This is for the cards. Okay, so let's add it like that. Okay, double click. Now I'm going to go to soft light or maybe screen. Okay, screen looks amazing. Now I'll be making it rasterized. Okay, I'll remove some of these areas. Okay, from here I'll keep this one. Let me decrease the opacity. Okay, this is amazing. Now one additional thing that I could do is to add some glow for the picture. So I'm going to add a new layer. I'll be taking the brush and I will choose, or I will pick a similar color to this one right here, but a little bit yellow or orange. I'm going to paint just like a couple of clicks. I'll be choosing color dodge maybe, or soft light overlay. Overlay looks amazing. That's it. Okay, let me decrease the opacity a little bit. That's it. This is all. This is all you're going to do. I will be merging them into a new layer. Ctrl Shift Alt E, Ctrl Shift A to go to camera raw filter, and I will be applying another adjustment just like the effects. Let's check the effects. Let's add some vegeting. Okay, vegeting, right? Just like that. Okay, awesome. This is amazing. Let's go to basics. Maybe I will increase the shadows a little bit. Okay, and we'll play around with the dehaze. And that's it. This is all. You can check before and after. So let's repeat this fast. Sky replacement, filter 1, filter 2, some extra effect, and got the cash. 100% different. Night shot. That's it. I did this for a couple of photos and I got $500. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this really short tutorial and see you in another one.
Listen!